Yo, what's going on guys? Today video I will announce the latest update of my application Yooguru. So if you don't know about Yooguru, I already have a clip before so you can watch it. So Yooguru is an application that allow YouTuber to manage their video or to reply to the comment. I just add more screen tab called like goals, partner finder, content maker, setting. I will try to deliver the application as soon as possible. What is the current progress of Yooguru? So as you remember before, there's nothing on the front end yet. So now I already integrate with my backend written in Postgre, Node.js Express. So to handle this fetching video is quite extensive because I cannot basically use the YouTube API because like there's a quota limit of the YouTube API. So in that way that I have to use my own scrapper function. So as you can see right here, at first I have a class called YouTube API service to handle integrating with the YouTube API, like fetching the comment thread, fetch the comment reply, fetch the account videos, something like that. However, like when I realized because this method fetch account videos is returned on the list of the video, however it doesn't have any statistic like count, view count. So in that way it is not a very good practice to show it on the front end. I want every video to have the views and also the date. So in that way that I can make the analytics to count on how many likes that I have and also the number of views and subscriber. However, like that API from YouTube is just return a list of video and its ID. To get the statistic, I have to use another API called the fetch account video API method. However, this one is just send every request to the YouTube server to get the data. So it will count as one based on the YouTube quota list. So in that way, like if I have like 1000 video, it's just send 1000 requests to the YouTube server. And there's a fact that the user can usually hard refresh the page to refresh. So if I only have like 10 user with like 1000 video, it's gonna be very extensive. So if I have 10 user with 1000 video and then they just use the app, so it just reach the limit of the quota because the quota is only allow me to 10,000 requests per day. So what I do is like I have another method called YouTube scraper service. This one will scrap the video and scrap video comment replies. In this method I have another class called like HTTP requester to create and then like get the continuation token for the comment. For example, the comment like they lazy loading, so after they lazy loading they just return the continuation token. So in that way we must get the continuation token so that we can paginate and then get the data later until the continue token become null or undefined. So yeah, that's the way to get a comment. And then there's just a bunches of logic to parse the data and then clean and transform the data into a readable format, and then we return a comment, a total and continuation token. Click on one video, it's gonna show on the comment of one video. Let me just use one video. So for example, I also have a comment screen. So right here it will list on the comment on the video. Because in my channel doesn't have many comments, so if you want to enrich the data, you can comment below. So here like I already get on the comment, and it click on it also like the reply that I have to the comment. So the next feature will be generate response, which will when you click on it, it will run the ChatGPT execution like using the prompt builder I already did before, which I will mention in another video after I already finish this feature. So that's pretty much what I'm working on right now for Yooguru. And then in the next video I will have large impact update, which I already implement the AI model.